Hey there, my name's Piotrowski, and I'm making this video because some of you have watched some of my other videos on social media and have not booked a call with me yet. I'm here today to talk to you about what happens after an arrest and how important it is to get an attorney involved right away. So a police officer had probable cause to make an arrest, and they did. The next step is they pass the case off to the prosecutor, and the prosecutor conducts what they call a Prefile investigation. It's a secondary review of the evidence, and it's done from the prosecutor's office. The prosecutor calls in witnesses, police officers, they review evidence like body-worn camera, security evidence, ballistics, everything that goes along in a criminal case, they're reviewing it. And they're making a determination what charges to file, if any. They're deciding if they're gonna vindicate the officer and file as you were arrested for. They're gonna see if they can file more serious charges, less serious charges, or if they're reviewing the case and they decide to take no action on the arrest. It's the most important time for me to get involved because if you think about it, the prosecutor's conducting what I like to call a lopsided investigation. They're talking to the officer who arrested you, and of course the officer wants the prosecutor to file charges. So you need an attorney involved to review all of the evidence, show the prosecutor where errors have been made, technicalities, where the officer got it wrong, and it's an attempt to persuade the prosecutor not to file any charges whatsoever. And if we can do that, they'll take no action on your arrest and the case will be over. And I tell people, knocking a case out in the pre-file investigation period is better than getting a not guilty verdict at trial. And you may say, Chad, why is that? And I say, because it's over right now. You don't have the stress and the anxiety of facing a formal charge that could last up to a year while we litigate it, getting wrapped up in a trial, and you never know what's gonna happen in trial, and that's stressful, and there's a possibility that the jury could come back guilty. There's no risk if we can knock it out in the pre-file investigation period. So right now is the most important time for me to get involved in your case. If you've watched my videos and you have a legal issue, don't waste any more time. The clock is ticking. Click the link below and book a call with me, and let's get started on your case.